Here's how to fix your entire life in a day using the daily bare minimum system. This system is based off of the fact that we don't rise to our goals, but we fall to our daily habits and actions. And if this is true, then we have to create a system where even on our worst day, we will still do enough of all the right things to achieve our goals and fix our life. Money, relationships, and health. When it comes to money, you're really going to have to think through the life you actually want to live. And then in order to identify your daily bare minimum with money, you're usually going to want some amount of work, and also break down how much you're going to invest and how you're actually planning to build wealth to achieve your goals. You're going to want to create a stable income that you feel like you can rely on day to day. Generally 3 categories to fixing your life. So let's talk about what those things actually are. And then I also recommend some form of entrepreneurship or content creation or some kind of side hustle that you want to build, and you can ultimately even have the goal of turning this into a full-time income if you're willing to put a lot of work into it. The second category is relationships. And relationships is a category that's very important to address head on. A lot of people feel like they're just stuck with what they got socially. But my philosophy behind social improvement is that you really have to push yourself in order to achieve, the long-term goal of having the relationships you want. It can feel very amorphous and just abstract right now, but you have to create a daily habit of really just socializing, even if it's the bare minimum. I suggest for this one a specific number, which is 3 interactions with people you don't know. It can literally just be saying hi, and they don't even have to respond. And I actually think fitness, the third one, is very simple. I think you should work out every day, either at the gym or at home. And then I also think you should always eat healthy foods and diet and count your calories if you're really trying to achieve a specific goal. And now that you have an idea of these 3 categories, you really just have to map out your day for yourself. And once you have your daily minimum, the real trick is sticking with it. This is very simple, but very hard to do. You're going to want to put in your calendar, put all the specific actions that you want, write them down. I like to set reminders for myself, notifications, so that I always know exactly when to do something and do it at the same time every day. And then, of course, just hold yourself accountable. Don't beat yourself up if you make a mistake. Just get back on it the next day. So check it out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. We're wrapping this one up, guys, but make sure to check out my quiz. It's posted in the link on my channel.